So it's late, but I had to share this. So if you haven't, go watch the video with Slugs. It's short, but so if you can. So I come back in, and you'll see what they doing. So I come back in, and I'm like, it's slugs outside. And when I'm finna tell you, I was like, it's slugs outside, and they eating the dog food. Sheba, the dog, was like, like, I've been trying to tell y'all Hebrews, but don't nobody listen to me because I'm a dog. That was so funny to me. That was so funny to me. If you haven't, go check out that video. Them slugs. It's stuff coming out. I don't even know what it is. But it's crazy. Go check it out. And yeah. But that was funny. Listen to your dog. Because they be knowing. Okay? Listen to your dog. Listen to your dog.